Hello Morris, Miss Baig here and welcome to your second maths video for this week. Today is Tuesday the 26th of January 2021. Now in front of you have your arithmetic, so please choose the arithmetic that you would like to do, pause the video, complete, and once you unpause we'll go through the answers. Off you go guys and good luck. See you in a few minutes. Okie dokie. Well done for completing your arithmetic. Let's start with challenge 1, question 1. We've got 2, add 2 more. Together makes 4. So 2 add 2 equals 4. Next we have 7, take away 2. So I'm going to hold up 7 fingers and take away 2. I've got 5. 7 take away 2 equals 5. Next I've got 20, add 2. So I'm going to put 20 in my head. I'm going to hold up 2 fingers. I'm going to count forwards. That's 20, 21, 22. So 20 add 2 equals 22. And then we've got our extension, which I'll be checking on Tapestry to see which 2 numbers you have added together to make 13. Okay, now challenge 2, question 1. We've got 41 add 13. So I'm going to use my column addition, 41, very dodgy one, add 13. So I know 1 add 3 equals 4. And I know that 4 add 1 equals 5. So the answer is 54. Now I'm going to show you another way that we could complete this question. So it says 41 add 13. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take 13 and I'm going to split it into 10s and 1s. So I know that that's 1 10 and a 3. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the number 41 and I'm going to add 10 onto it. So 10 add 41 equals 51. Now I'm going to add this 3 onto 51. So 51, 52, 53, 54. So 51 add 3 equals 54, which gives us the same answer. So there are 2 ways that you can complete this question, whichever one you feel is easier for you. Okie dokie, moving on to the next one. It says 4 lots of 2. Now, I know that when it says 4 lots, that means I need 4 groups. So I'm going to draw 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, and 4 groups. And it says 4 lots of, and I know that when it says of 2, that means there is 2 objects in each group. So I'm going to do 2 dots in each group. Now I'm going to add them all together. That's 2, 4, 6, 8. So 4 lots of 2 equals 8. Now that's one way of doing this question. The other way that I could complete this question is, what I could do is I could say, the question is there are 4 lots of 2. So I know that I need to hold up 4 fingers because this is how many lots I have. Then I need to count in my 2s. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8. So 4 lots of 2 is 8, and that's how you can use your fingers to work out multiplication questions. Okie dokie. Next one, we have 4 add something equals 15. Now, if you remember in our yesterday's video, okay, there I showed you 2 ways to complete this question. One is where you count forward. So you start with number 4 and you keep counting forward until you get up to 15. Or the second method is where you count backwards and you take from 15, you take 4 away, so you're counting back and it gives you the answer. So let's do both. First, let's start with counting forward. So 4 add something equals 15. So I'm going to put 4 in my head and I'm going to keep counting on my fingers until I get to 15. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's 11. So 4 add 11 equals 15. Or now I'm going to use the other method. I'm going to put 15 in my head. I'm going to hold up 4 fingers and I'm going to count backwards. So that's 15, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. So it gives me the same answer. It's just you choose, is counting forwards easier for you or is counting backwards? Your choice. Okay, and then same as challenge 1, for extension, I will be checking tapestry. Okie dokie, let's begin our lesson for today, which is, our learning objective is, can I make multiplication sentences from pictures of lots/groups? So remember, lots and groups means the same thing. So we are going to be focusing on the language today, which is lots of. Lots of. Well done. Let's look at our first example. It says, how many lots of 2 are there? How many lots of 2? Now, I know that when it says lots of, that means groups of. So, oh, hang on, giving you the answer there. So, I know there's one group. That's another group. That's another group. And that's another group. So, there is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lots of 2. There are 4 lots of 2. Now, if I wanted to write a multiplication sentence, I would write 4. There are 4 lots of multiplied by 2, which equals 2, 4, 6, 8, which equals 8. 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8. Okie dokie. Okay, how many lots of 3 are there? How many lots of 3? Let's count. I know where it says lots of, I need to find out how many groups there are. So here's one lot, here's a second group, here's a third group, and here is the fourth lot. Okay, so there are 4 lots of 3. Now, if I wanted to write a multiplication sentence, I would write 4 because there are 4 lots of, or 4 groups of, multiplied by, and I know that there are 3 objects in each group. So 4 multiplied by 3 equals, now let's count in our 3's. 3, 6, 9, 12. So 4 multiplied by 3 equals 12. Now, some of you might be asking me, Miss Baig, I don't know how to count in my 3's. Well, over the weekend, your adults have been emailed a times table Rockstars login details for you, okay? So 3 children have already logged on and they have already been using times table Rockstars, which is absolutely fantastic. And I am so happy that children have been already logging in and using the account. So what I would like you to do is I would like you to ask your parent or ask your adult, whoever has the email address registered with the school, to provide you with your login details, log on, choose your Rockstar name, and start learning your times tables. It's very fun. You can earn points. You can choose whichever method you want to earn points in. It can be gold coins. It can be musical instruments, whatever you choose. It's your choice of how to complete the game. And then once everybody is logged in, because I can log in and I can check who's been on and who hasn't logged in yet. So once everybody in Morris class has logged in, we are going to have a competition, but that's for another video. Now, let's get back to our lesson and move on to the next example. Okie dokie, how many lots of 1 are there? How many lots of 1? So I need to count the groups. So that's 1 group, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 lots of 1. In each group, there is 1 red dot. So the multiplication sentence that I would write is 5, because there are 5 lots or groups of 1 equals 5. Well done. Okay, next one. How many lots of 5 are there? So here's 1 lot of 5. Here's a second lot of 5. Here's a third lot of 5. Here's a fourth lot of 5. And here is a 5th lot of 5. Sorry, I'm in the way, you can't see. There you go. There's a 5th lot of 5. So there are 5 lots of 5. The multiplication sentence that we would write is 5, because there are 5 lots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lots of 5 objects equals, let's count in our 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Fantastic. 5 lots of 5. 5 multiplied by 5 equals 25. Okay. How many lots of 8 are there? How many lots? So there is one lot here. Now, how many grapes are there? How many grapes are in this one group? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are one lot of 8, or there is one lot of 8. So the multiplication sentence that we write is there is one group, and in that one group there are 8 grapes. So 1 multiplied by 8 equals 8. Fantastic. Okay, Morris, you're going to help me now match the multiplication sentences to the right pictures. So pause the video here, have a look at the pictures, and then you're going to help me match them. So let's start with these dice over here. Okie dokie, let's make myself a bit bigger so I'm in the picture. There we go. Right, so I know that there's one group. There's 2 groups. Oops, that's a bit too big. Let's try that again. There's 2 groups. And here's 3 groups. I know that there's 3 groups here. So is it 4 lots of 2? 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8. Or is it 3 lots of 5? And 3 multiplied by 5 equals 15. Make your decision, Morris class. Well done. It is 3 lots of 5, because I remember I'm counting the dots on the dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Okay. Right, next, there are 4 lots of 2. 4 lots of 2. Now, I know that there is 1 lot here. There's 2, 3, and 4. And there's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. There are 2 pencils in each lot. So 4 lots of 2, 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8. Now, have a go at this example, just verbally. Don't write it down, but can you tell me which multiplication sentence matches with which picture? Go, go, go. Well done. This one is 2 lots of 4 equals 8. And this one is 1 lot of 8 equals 8. Fantastic, Morris. Well done. Okay, we're moving on to your part, your turn within our lesson. So, challenge 1. Can you match the multiplication sentence to the picture? Now, underneath you have A and you have B. Your task is to choose the correct sentence that matches with the picture. For example, let's go through this one together. I know, first I'm going to count how many lots there are. There is 1 lot, that's 2 lots, that's 3 lots, and that's 4 lots. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 lots of how many balls are in each group? 1, 2, 2. So that's 4 lots of 2. 4 multiplied by 2 equals, let's count in our 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 4 lots of 2, 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8. So it's B. So this is the answer. Okay? Fantastic. Now, can you have a go at the next one by yourself? So remember, you're counting the lots first, and then you need to count how many objects are in each lot. So have a go at that one by yourself. Pause the video here while we move on to challenge 2. Okay, challenge 2. You're doing the exact same thing. You are going to choose either A, 3 lots of 3, 3 to multiplied by 3, or is it B, 4 lots of 3 and 4 multiplied by 3? Pause the video here, write down your answer. Make sure you're writing, if it's 4 lots of 3, then 4 lots of 3, 4 multiplied by 3 equals, and then the answer, okay? If it's that one, I'm not saying it is. Okay, once you've done that, let's move on to question number 4. Okay, so again, you're matching the multiplication sentence to the picture. So first, identify how many groups are there, how many lots are there, and then how many dots. So in this question, you're counting the dots on the dice. So how many dots are there on each dice? And then find your answer. Once you've completed that question, we'll move on to challenge number 3. Okie dokie. So again, same thing. Here's your 2 options. Please select the correct one. And once you've finished, we will move on to the 6th question. Okie dokie. Here is your 6th question. So, is it A or is it B? Please remember to make sure that you are completing the answer for the multiplication sentence. And then very quickly, we'll move on to the extension, which is, can you draw? You can't see what it says up there. Let's make myself a bit smaller. Can you draw, so 6 lots of 2 rockets? Now, it doesn't have to be rockets. I just chose rockets because we're learning about space. But draw 6 lots, so 6 groups of 2 rockets, and then write the multiplication sentence to match. So over here, you're going to draw the groups, and then you're going to write the multiplication. So something multiplied by something equals, and then the answer. Okay, Morris class, we have come to the end of our maths lesson. I hope you have enjoyed. This has been a nice lesson. Please do make sure that you log onto your Times Table Rockstar, set up your account, choose your Rockstar, choose the name of your Rockstar, and get started. And then we'll start a competition. And I'll think of a prize for the winner. You know, I always do. But thank you very much for joining me. Until the next video, please take care, stay safe. It was lovely seeing you in the live session yesterday. Please do attend the live sessions every Monday at 10:30 a.m. and at 2 p.m. So it was lovely to see all of your smiling faces yesterday. Take care, Morris class. Until next time. Bye-bye. Oh, I forgot to say, please don't forget to upload onto Tapestry, of course. Well, you guys know this by now, but it's a gentle reminder. Upload onto Tapestry. Okay, now I can say bye. Bye.